Hi, in this tutorial we'll review how to upgrade the firmware on a NetAXS 123 panel. First, it is required to have the firmware files, which can be found at mywebtech.honeywell.com. This website is Honeywell's download center and each dealer can have its own username and password. Once logged into this website, navigate on the download center and locate the access control option at the menu on the left. In here, you can find all the firmware files that you're going to need, depending on the version that you are currently running. The files that you are going to download are compressed into a zip folder. So before doing the upgrade, it is required to unzip the files in order for us to get the binary files that are required. You're going to also find the release notes as a PDF document. Once you get all the firmware files downloaded, navigate to the web interface of the panel. Remember that if you are running anything lower than version number 6, you're going to have to use Internet Explorer. Once logged into the web interface of the panel, navigate under the panel configuration and then go to Firmware Details or File Management. Once you are there, you're going to have Upload from panel and Download to panel. We're going to use the second option, Download to panel. You're going to hit the Browse button and then navigate through the path where you have the firmware files. Once you get the right one, you hit Download. After that, the panel will take a minute to process the image, and then once it's completed, it'll pop up a menu. It'll pop up a message with the following: firmware file has completed, now processing the image. Do not remove power from the panel. And the panel will start rebooting itself. You will also see a progress bar on that web interface. Once this progress bar has completed its process, you are no longer going to be able to see anything on the web interface. You're going to have to refresh and then log back in again. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage, mywebtech.honeywell.com.